Hi, good morning. Today we will discuss about trigonometric important questions. This is part 1 because it will be covered only 6 questions. Next part it will cover so many problems. So now let us discuss the first problem. So you can see here. Prove that sin 30 plus cos 30 plus tan 45 equals secant 60 degree. So first we will want to take LHS. In LHS part, sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus tan 45 degree. We are taken. Already we know sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and cos 30 value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 value is 1. Then 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. We consider this is as an equation number 1. Then you know RHS will take secant 60. Secant is the reciprocal of cos 1 by cos 60. 1, what is the cos 60 value? It is 1 by 2. So if 2 is go inside numerator, it will come only 2. So we can say LHS is equals to the RHS. Next problem. Prove that sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree divided by cos 30 degree minus cot 45 degree equals sin 90. So we want to take the LHS part. Then we already know sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 plus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Then what is the cosecant 30 value? It is 2 and already we know cot 45 value is 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So 1 by 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1 only. This one as equation number 1. Then we can take sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So LHS equals to the RHS. Next we will go for next problem. So you can see here 1 plus cos A 1 minus cos A equals to cosecant A plus cot A whole square. So first we want to take LHS part. LHS part we already taken 1 plus cos A 1 minus cos A. First we want to multiply and divide by 1 plus cos A on both numerator and denominator. We already taken 1 plus cos A 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A 1 divided by 1 plus cos A. Then what is 1 plus cos A? 1 plus cos A we can write as 1 plus cos A whole square. Then 1 minus cos A 1 plus cos A we can write as 1 square minus cos A square, right? 1 plus 1 1 minus into plus minus cos A into cos A square. Then we already know 1 plus cos A whole square. 1 square value is 1 and minus cos A square. We know that already we know sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Then we want the value of 1 minus cos A square. So we can write 1 minus cos A square equals to sin A. Then 1 plus cos A square divided by sin square A. So we want to take denominator. Means sin square A we can write for both, right? So we can take an whole square, right? Because sin square is there. Then 1 plus cos A divided by sin A whole square we can take. Then 1 plus sin A plus cos A divided by sin A. So what is 1 plus sin A? 1 by sin A is cosecant, right? Sin reciprocal was cosecant and cos by sin is cot A. Then whole square. So LHS equals to RHS. So this one we can understand, right? Next we will go for another question. This one you can see same like that only. We want to multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A on both numerator and denominator. Then we already divide and we will get 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 square minus sin A whole square. Then 1 plus sin A square, 1 minus 1 square value is 1 minus sin A square. Then we already know sin A square plus cos A square equals to 1. We want to know the value of 1 minus sin A square. So we can write this one as cos square A, right? Then 1 plus sine A whole square divided by cos square A. Then 1 plus sine A divided by cos A whole square. Then 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A whole square. 1 by cos A is secant A. Sine by cos is tan A. So we already proved LHS equals to RHS. Next we will go for another question. This is prove that cos A plus 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A divided by cos A equals to 2 secant A. First we want to take LHS. No, we want to take the LHS part. You can see, right? 1 minute. It is not working solely. Yeah, sure. So here cos A divided by 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A divided by cos A. Now what you want to take means we want to cross multiply it on both the side. Now cos A into cos A, we will get cos A square. 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A square divided by 1 plus sine A into cos A. Next, it is in the form of a square plus b whole square. We can write as 1 square a square plus b square plus 2ab. Like that, cos square a plus 1 square plus sin a square plus 2 sin a divided plus 1 plus sin a into cos a. We can go for cos square a plus sin square a plus 1 square plus 2 sin a. We will adjust this one because we know already value of sin a square plus cos a square value is 1. So we can write this one as 1. 1 plus 1 square value is 1 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. We take 2 as common on numerator, then 1 plus sin a, and denominator also we have 1 plus sin a. So both numerator and denominator it will be get cancelled and we will get cos a. What is the reciprocal of cos? It is a reciprocal of secant. Hence that we proved. Next we will go for another question. This one we did not know. We did not continued, I think. So this one sin a plus sin a divided by 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a divided by sin a, 2 cosecant. I think this also we done, right? This also we continue. So this much we possible, how much possible I will do the trigonometric problems. Tomorrow class I will do another difficult problem. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you. It will be continued on next part.